Hello everyone. Today we are going to learn color mixing theory of colors. Here I am showing gel medium and aqua water which you can see. Mainly I use gel medium instead of water all my paintings. But you can use any drinking water, avoid borewell water. Completely your choice. Now I am moistening my small size flat brush for mixing colors. Now I am picking the blue and red, the ratio 1:1 or 2:2 or 3:3 and mix well together. Mixing well, just you do it as I am doing, you can get violet color. This is the secondary colors when we are mixing blue and red. Our traditional color wheel, red, blue, yellow are the primary colors. They are the source of other colors. These colors are the basic colors. We cannot create it by mixing any other colors. Primary colors are colors that exist on their own, do not contain traces of any other colors. Next I am adding little bit of red with the purple, mix well together. This is the complementary color. All are the complementary colors. You can create lot of complementary colors from this. Blue, yellow, red. You can see here. These colors are called primary colors. The traditional color wheel, mix blue and yellow to get green color, red and blue to get purple color, red and yellow to get orange. Here blue, yellow, red primary colors, green, purple, orange are known as the secondary colors. Equal proportion of two primary colors are mixing well together to get secondary colors. When we mix proportion of two primary colors, we can get violet, green, orange. These are secondary colors. Remaining all are the complementary colors. When the couple of colors mix well from the primary colors, we are getting secondary colors. Proportion of colors which we mix them. If you mix the primary colors, you get a tertiary colors. Secondary colors occur when any two proportion of primary colors are mixed together. What is complementary colors? Complementary colors are pairs of colors which when combined are mixed. At the heart of colors theory, complementary colors are the opposite hues on the colors wheel. In their most basic form, they are one primary colors and the secondary color that is created by mixing the other two primaries. The same thing, now I am picking the yellow and blue, the ratio 1:1 or 2:2 or 3:3, mix well together. Now you can get the green color. Join with me in my paintings, feel stress free, relax and paint, wonder the magic of colors, make your life happier without stress and worries, and live long. Here very important, black and white are outcast. This is unique colors, we cannot form it. When you add black with any kind of colors, you can get darker shade. When you add white with any kind of colors, you can get lighter shade. The concept is very deep. I am teaching here main and fundamental things for beginners. You don't worry about I don't have lot of colors. Just you need these three main colors, means that is the primary colors, red, yellow, blue, which are called primary colors. You can make lot of colors from this. Now I am picking yellow and red. The ratio 1 is to 1 or 2 is to 2 or 3 is to 3. Whatever it may be, but equal proportion. Mix well together. Now you can get orange color. Before that, if you are the beginner, try to learn the basic, how to blend and how to make easy trees. All the videos are available for beginners in my channel. This all will help you to improve your skills in paintings. And day by day I will upload Skillshare video for beginners in paintings. These kind of videos will help the paintings lot and improve your skills in paintings. Keep watching, keep following, and more importantly keep practicing. Now you know very well what is the primary colors, what is the secondary colors, how you can make secondary colors and complementary colors. Everything now you know very well. Next to my upcoming video, I'm going to teach you what are the brushes are there and how to handle the brushes. Now we created the secondary colors from the primary colors and we are creating the complementary colors too. And how to create small paintings from these colors. Subscribe my channel for upcoming amazing videos. Thanks for watching.